quality.
Well, you can even see it. It's just clean.
Why your phone look good, man?
Because I'm on Snapchat.
Oh, I thought you had to wipe the screen. Yeah! We see you. Yes, sir. Look at Pawpaw. Look at Pawpaw. Yes, sir. Look, you see all those little things. She's sitting in the middle, baby. That's how your mama she's gonna be in the middle of the car. Ain't no sitting in the end of that Chevy. You gotta sit in the middle of it, baby. Real.
That's rough.
Real close. You like that?
Yeah. Sorry.
Giving me too much vibes. I said it's giving me too much vibes. Yeah. Too much vibes.
Yeah. That red.
Yeah.
It's Wonder Woman detail. That's not it.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, get off my camera. Yeah, we could have left the kids' ass at home.
I know, and it was like,
Nah,
I mean, y'all can come back.
Nah, I don't think so, buddy.
They close at 12 at some point.
Nah, they close at 2. But ain't no coming back.
Cheers.
What we gonna come back and do?
Get a drink.
I gotta drink at home, baby. We ain't finna waste no money, baby. Fuck that. Shit, we ain't finna waste no money, baby. Shit.
I think I did good by picking up place.
Know what you said, daiquiris?
I didn't know Old Town
Oh.
was next to First.
Damn, boy, he finna run you over. No. Ooh, that look good, boy. I can't lie. Man, that look good.
We missed half of it.
I was sure did. Feel like the newer cars, those up there. All that new joint.
Hellcats. Oh no, they going around. Hellcats. Yeah, they going around.
They going out though. Ain't she mad?
She poured the water bottle up.
Playing some hip hop. Go ahead. Go ahead. Baby girl, go ahead.
Right there. Look at the grill. Now that.
You like that?
That's my style.
That's your style?
Yeah.
So when we get rich, that's what you want, huh?
Yes, that's my
Chevy Camaro, baby.
And the Porsche.
That's a Lamborghini.
That's a Porsche.
Lambo.
That's a Porsche. I mean, it's a Porsche.
It's a Lamborghini. See the sign in the back. I said it's a Lamborghini. I said it was a Lamborghini. The sign was in the back.
I love that car.
Old school, baby. You hear that motor? Whoa, 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 whoa. That's
That's why you got that leather.
what the car say. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Cars be speaking.
Yes, sir. Corvette, Corvette. Corvette, Corvette. Ooh, that was an old head driving that Corvette.
That yellow rock.
On the bottom. That's how they come from the factory. Come with that. Hot Wheels. It's made just like that Hot Wheel too. Well, a Hot Wheel made like it. Chevy gang. Chevy gang. You see Chevy gang, baby. Minions. You don't like that? It's alright. Well, they love these Chevys out here, I see. Ooh, that one sound good. Whoop, 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 whoop,
Making
whoop,
my
whoop,
chest,
whoop,
making my chest like that.
yeah. Yeah. Whoop, 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 whoop.
That's the lightest one.
Get your copyrighted, buddy. Go on now. Go on. You need some brakes, buddy. Brake pads. Now the brakes squeaking. Look at the back.
I mean, it's a Corvette, but the stage right here.
I don't know. Look at that little thing there, boy. You like that little thing? What the hell? Nah, it's not for me.
Not for me neither.
Not for me. You got the
Oh,
police.
that's wrong.
You got the police lights going on.
That's wrong.
Yeah, my friend look good. I can't lie. Chevy gang. We got pole pipes on that motherfucker. Boy. I think that's a V12. I think. Don't quote me on that. Where they went to the con? Missed all these cars? Nah, that's ugly. Oh yeah. I'll try the hell out of this boy. Ooh, that motherfucker just.
On the road.
Woo! What's that, baby?
Keep going.
Oh, now this is the money right here, boy. This car, boy, this car worth like
That's the race.
$200,000. Old school, yeah.
That comes for racing.
T-type, Grand National, yeah.
Change the brakes.
That's that money, boy. Shit.
Brakes.
That's that money. I don't give a fuck what it needs. That's money, yeah.
That sounds good.
Chevy gang. Nah, I don't get it.
They so shiny
That
though.
we getting you one of these right here, baby.
Cool.
Sean. Right here.
I am.
You'll drive it? That shit ugly. 5.0. 5.0? I like the 5.0s. I can't lie.
What's 1, 2?
Yeah, they nice. On that little ugly thing?
What was that this time?
On that little ugly thing? You'll drive it?
Drive anything.
He said, I'll drive anything.
Transportation.
Give me anything. I'm gonna make it work. Yeah.
Give me a scooter. It'll do me, Joe.
Oh shit, I ain't even know they was standing down there. Yeah, that's nice there. Yes, sir. Boy, I knew my family was crunk. Crunk.
They be gassing everybody up with this driving.
We didn't even know y'all was standing out. We just standing out there. We didn't know y'all was standing out here. We was standing right there recording. Get y'all ass back down here. I don't know where they going. Somewhere they ain't got no goddamn business. Yeah, away from us, that's where they was going. Huh?
That's your favorite
Car
part?
show? She know it. Sound good, buddy. Yes, sir. Chili. Oh, us.
That's my favorite right here. So
Like
far,
that?
missing out.
That's your
My
favorite?
favorite so far.
Who missing action? Wait, what? Oh, you talking? Oh. You left her for talking somewhere?
Not for you.
Oh man, come on with the copyright. Come on. Yo. Head on YouTube.
Okay, you gonna go viral.
Yeah.
You gonna go viral.
You ain't see him blink at us? You ain't see him blink at us?
Now you look good in that.
You like that? What you say? No, that was a different one. There go shot down car. Where? That's the best car?
Yes, that was the best car out of all of them, bro. She lied.
Whoa. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hit it again. Fucker. Fucker.
Maybe in Vegas on the Vegas.
Like that? Like that? Chrysler. That was a Chrysler. $392, yes, sir.
Oh, they look like
$392, baby. What you say? No, you don't. You ain't gotta do that no more. I'm telling you, you don't have to do that no more. No, you don't. Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yeah, no, you don't have to do that no more. It's a long that fast.
Where we at, babe? We
She
all
gonna tell me,
time.
you know, you got a blue license plate out? I'm like, no, you don't have to do that anymore. Yes, sir. That's that money there. Hey, Zell, that's that money there. Shit, Mama Shell said, you got it. Influence. Somebody got some sounds?
That's me.
Somebody got some sounds?
That's right there.
That who?
Still ain't done. This one's been a lot of
Yeah. They going straight now. They ain't even coming back. Oh, they was coming around. That was different cars then.
I ain't seen it.
Right. No, what I'm saying, remember they was going down that line right here? They not going down there. They going straight. Yeah. Hey, yes, sir. He like, yeah, them my people. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Right here, Deshaun. That's Deshaun car right here. We got one of them. Right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, trying to show out. You gonna hit somebody in the back, sucker. Sucker, trying to show off for us. Yeah, car right here. Corvette, do it. Corvette. Yes, sir. Man, called us a car show, man. That wasn't even expected, you know what I'm saying?
It's lit out here. I know it was my idea. Y'all are so welcome. Okay?
Thank you! Oh, God! What, she ain't like the noise from the car? No. She hate the noise. Oh, okay.
Girls all the way now.
I knew that's what it was when she was on her ears. Yeah, like that.
Let me see how
All right, y'all. Checking out unless we run into something else. Your boy Angelo checking out another video. I'm out. Peace.